Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I did go back to Walgreens and did one itty bitty deal with a spend 25 get back 6, and then I found my way over at Rite Aid to do one quick transaction, rolling that bonus cash as well. Before we dive into the deals, if you could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing today if you love to save money. Completely free to do, and we save a lot of money on this channel. So the first store that we're at today, guys, is Walgreens, and I'm using this specific booster, which is 6 back when you spend 25. I am in store for this deal because there's a register reward in play as well. So as you guys know, I'm a big detergent shopper. I love detergent. So I got just an assortment of P&G laundry care, a liquid, a pod for the Tide, a bounce dryer sheet, and also a fabric softener by Downy, the fancier one, and then 2 Gillette blades. So this basket's about $35, but there is a method to the madness. So just to show you, when you're bouncing through the laundry care aisle, we're looking for products at $5.49 with the sticker of $5 reward when you buy 4 of them. So pretty easy to figure out. Even if you open up the app and scan, if it rings up $5.49, you're in the right direction. So I just grabbed an assortment because on this specific store card, I had a bunch of digital coupons. So I was like, wow. Whenever they have this, I always like to stock up because we're getting close to Christmas and people love to get laundry care stuff from me. I do little baskets and stuff for extended family members for the holiday. They always love to get this sort of stuff. So one of each, just a nice assortment. And this is the ragtag of digitals. I had $1.50 for the pods, $1.50 for the liquid, $1.50 for the enhancer, and then $1 for those dryer sheets. So they must really be loving me. This is $5.50 in digitals right here. And then I also grabbed the Mach 3 razor that is buy one get one 50% off. I know a lot of people had a $3 digital. I didn't have it, but I had 2 register rewards that were expiring from, I think, like the week previous. It was a $5 and a $3 manufacturer register reward, so I was able to use $8 of that. So going through the math of this, 4 of the laundry care products for $21.96, 2 of the Mach 3 for $13.48 for a grand total of $35.44. I had my booster loaded, which is 6 back when you spend 25. That paper booster that we usually get out of the Catalina machine, I did not get one this week, so just noting that. And I had a $3 and a $5 manufacturer register reward that I got the cashier to scan as well. So with my debit card, I paid $21.94, got $16 back in Walgreens cash, 10 for the Mach 3 deal, and then 6 for the booster, plus a $5 register reward for the P&G offer of buy 4, get a $5 register reward. I know it's $8 of manufacturer register rewards that I'm rolling here, but I think this is a super smart deal. As you're using that booster, let's not forget not to use any Walgreens cash because it might mess things up and you don't want any trouble. And it always seems that customer service is less than friendly over at Walgreens lately, so safe deal, and I think it's smart. Okay, so we're just going to look at this deal in a different way. A lot of people are reporting that if you buy these 2, you're getting back a $1 register reward. I have not tested it out, but a lot of people are reporting it's working. So you're going to grab one of the car, one of the small spaces priced at $3.29. You're going to load these 2 digitals that are $2.30 off of each. If you want to test this one out, by all means, go for it. If not, it'll be 99 cents if the register reward does not print. So 2 of those products, a clip and a small spaces, is $6.58. Subtracting the $4.60 in digital coupons, you'll pay $1.98. Get that $1 register reward, making it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per. So it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster, but what a lovely little deal. And a lot of people, again, reporting in Sunday's video that they were getting that register reward when they were buying the 2 in a transaction. Now, for all of you that love the Hersheys candy, the Reese, the Kit Kats, those good items that are tagged 2 for $8. We have a couple digital coupons that are attaching, including this one. It's an only for you, so hopefully you have it as well. It's a 2 off a 2 for these snack-sized bags. So a little bit larger than the fun size, and the IVC coupon as well. So you have to make sure you have both of these loaded. So grabbing 2 of those bags, it's 8 on the nose, subtracting the manufacturer coupon and the IVC, pay $5. I would roll $5 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, and call this a very good deal. And you can roll that if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. So before we take off out of Walgreens land, lots of toys 90% off. If you've seen these orange stickers at your local store, you might want to ask for a price check, and you might be shocked what the prices are. $1.49 for the slime kit, Mr. Spider-Man $1. There was also a Darth Vader for $1.29, just a bunch of those characters. Monopoly's Rival was $1.19, and I mean, a lot of stores I went to, the stuff wasn't even marked, so like that's fantastic. The little knockoff Bratz dolls was $2.29. Sorry was I think $1.69, and the Uno Dare I believe was like 89 cents. So you might want to look for these same items, ask for price checks, and you might score big. It's always your mileage may vary, but with Christmas so close, I know a lot of us are stocking up on toys and stuff for those stockings and little ones. So you might want to head over there. You might be shocked what you find. Now we're back at Rite Aid. Slower week over at Rite Aid. Next week, which is the week of the 15th, we're supposed to get like a 10 back when you spend 50. So this one I had a 5 off 25 flu shot coupon that I used. Find it on social media all over the place. This deal is courtesy of Sacktown Couponer over on Instagram. She is fantastic. I grabbed 2 Colgates, 2 Colgate mouthwashes, and then 2 St. Ives body washes. So the Colgate paste is $4.99. Buy 2, get back $4 in bonus cash. Trying to do as many of these Rite Aid deals because I have a feeling that where I live, they're going to start closing these down, a lot of them. I even notice a lot of stores just less and less stock. 4 off a 2 digital that I loaded for this one. I also have a bonus cash challenge for Colgate, and I think with this I finished it. That larger one, $4.99, the light blue one. We also have a 4 off 2 digital for that one. So it just makes it a really fantastic deal any way you slice it or dice it. And then the final item is the St. Ives body wash, and it's 25% off. And then $4 back when you buy 2. So that is not too shabby. I'll show you guys the ticket here. Unfortunately, no digital coupons to go with this, but still a very good deal. So looking at the math for this, 2 of the St. Ives for $7.32, and then 4 of those Colgate products for $19.96 for a total of $27.28. Used a 5 off 25 Rite Aid flu shot coupon plus $8 in digitals, 4 for the paste, 4 for the wash for the Colgates. Rolled $14.28 of bonus cash, and then got back 12. 4 back for each pair of the Colgates, and then 4 back for the St. Ives, making it $12 for this. I also finished a bonus cash challenge for Colgate, so it made it all free after everything was said and done. Everybody's bonus cash challenge is a little different, but this card had like, I think it was like $6 back when you spent $30 on Colgate, so I'll take that. Last thing I want to share with you guys before I left the store, I did walk down the clearance aisle and I found this flatter thermos. It's like a little cells that you can put in your freezer to keep things nice and cold. With Thanksgiving, Christmas right around the corner, pre-diabetic person here, I like to bring my own charcuterie platter. It's not the hostess's responsibility to provide my dietary restrictive, food. So I always make it something that I do is to bring a platter of stuff to any party or gathering, because if I'm very limited in what I can eat, and this ice pack is absolutely tremendous to just slide under there to keep everything nice and cold. So if you are going to be like, hosting or bringing something for a party at work or with family and you need something like this, be on the lookout. This was with the summer stuff, and it was 51 cents by Rubbermaid. Really great product. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.